This is how to change the complete top section of your gyro zoomer. For example, if the balance bar is broken or you've got an issue with the connector buckles, it's best to change the whole top section. So you can buy this whole unit from ParamountZone.com, and the best way to proceed is with the screwdriver that you get with the original gyro zoomer. You don't get it with the spares, but you get it with the original gyro zoomer. Just loosen this particular screw here slightly, and that's enough to release this pole here from the top section. So if I just give that a couple of turns, then what I can do is I can grip this here with some pliers that you will need, and just pull that off, and that means that you literally get this left. The pole obviously you don't need, because that will be on the original gyro zoomer, unless of course you bent it, in which case you could then use this as a replacement. So I'll put that over there. Left with this top section, which is a complete balance bar. You've got the two connector buckles, you've got the blades. And obviously when you refit the blades on the gyro zoomer, you can, if you want to change the colour, you can buy different blades from us, and you can refit them on there by unscrewing those and inserting new blades. So basically now we've got this top section, so we'll go back to the original gyro zoomer, and what you need to do is the same screw which you unscrewed on the spares, you just need to give that a couple of turns as well. Don't take it out completely, just a couple of a full turn perhaps. And then what you need, again, you need to have the pliers. You need to insert the pliers there and just pull relatively hard, and the whole top section will come off. So you can keep the pliers there. So now you've got the old section which you no longer need, and you've got the new section which you released before, and you just put that on the top. Now what you'll find is the rotators here, the cogs at the bottom, that'll be a bit loose. So what you need to do is you need to put your fingers, your thumb and your finger, underneath that, and that enables you then with your other hand here to push down. And you need to make sure that when you push down on this top section here, that there's not a great deal of movement in the bottom cog. So if there is, you just need to push up here and push down. It can be relatively firm, and there you go. You've got a complete new top section. I mean, like I said earlier, you can then change the blades or whatever. One thing to mention is there is this this section, this little sort of cylinder thing here, which that literally just does go over there when you replace it. And like I said, you push that in, keep your fingers and thumb here, push down quite firmly, and then obviously don't forget, once you've done that, you then need to go back to the original screw that you untightened, and you need to tighten that up pretty firmly, well, very firmly, and that will stop this section coming off when you're flying. Okay, so that completes the tutorial on changing the top blades on the gyro zoomer.